for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, security alarm, Sirius satellite radio, convenience group, remote keyless entry, technology group, power heated outside mirrors, towing package. Come see the car for yourself.